Osisko Mining is proud to present the Windfall Lake Gold Project. The Windfall Lake Gold Deposit is located 115 kilometers east from the city of Lebel-sur-Quévillon. Exploration for the project is currently underway. The Windfall Lake team has collected more than 300,000 meters of rock samples from the site and plans to conduct an additional 500,000 meters by the end of 2018. In June 2017, Osisko published the project description report and began the environmental assessment for the mining project. The process is anticipated to take at least 2 years. The following video presents an overview of the key components of the Windfall Lake Gold Project. Please keep in mind that the planning process is still underway. The project has not been yet approved, and some details are sure to change. There are 2 major alternatives being considered in the project evaluation. Option 1 is to locate the mill at the mine site near the deposit. Option 2 is to locate the mill near Lebel-sur-Quévillon. The project is an area that benefits from strong road, rail, and electrical networks. A provincial road crosses the area from east to west and links the Abitibi to the Lac-Saint-Jean region. The area also benefits from an extensive forestry road network. An established power line services the area, meaning only a short line will need to be built if the mill is located near Lebel-sur-Quévillon. The project lands are covered by the James Bay and Northern Quebec Agreement. The Windfall Lake mine site is on Cree First Nation of Weswanipi Traditional Territory, Trapline W25B. Osisko meets regularly with the community of Weswanipi and will strive to incorporate their traditional knowledge into the environmental assessment. 2 other First Nations have a potential interest in the project, the Algonquin community of Lac-Simon and the Atikamekw community of Obidjiwan. Osisko is also meeting with residents and officials of the town of Lebel-sur-Quévillon. Osisko is committed to keeping stakeholders and First Nation communities informed of the project and involved in the planning process. The planned Windfall Lake project will include the following main components depending on the final choice for the mill location. Option 1. Location of the mill at the Windfall Lake mine site. The following components currently exist: a ramp portal, an unlined stockpile, a lined stockpile, an overburdened stockpile, a water management facility, and an exploration camp. Osisko is planning to add a permanent camp to house workers, a production ramp, a waste rock stockpile, an ore storage area, and an increase of the overburdened stockpile. If the mill is located at the Windfall Lake site, there will be an ore processing plant and a tailings management facility. Otherwise, this infrastructure will not be on Windfall Lake site. Please note that the location of the components will be studied in environmental assessment and has not been yet determined. Option 2. Another possibility is to build the mill near Lebel-sur-Quévillon. If this option is chosen, Osisko plans to build the following main components near Lebel-sur-Quévillon: an ore processing plant, an ore storage area, an overburdened stockpile, and a tailings management facility. The project will use underground methods to recover gold ore and is expected to operate for about 10 years. Rock that is excavated but does not contain an economic amount of gold is known as waste rock. Waste rock will be stored in a stockpile near the production ramp. Osisko plans to combine waste rock with cement for use as a backfill material for the underground mine, thus reducing the footprint of the waste rock stockpile. At the end of the project, all remaining stockpiles will be revegetated. All the buildings, surface infrastructure, and equipment will be dismantled, and the areas will be cleaned and revegetated. Gold ore from the underground mine will be sent to the mill so that the gold can be separated from the rock. The key steps of the ore processing include crushing and grinding, adding water to create a slurry that can easily move throughout the facility, encouraging the gold to stick to air bubbles in the flotation device, skimming off the air bubbles to create a concentrated gold solution, transforming the gold into ions that can be absorbed to carbon, stripping the gold from the carbon, plating the gold into a solid using electricity, and refining the gold using furnaces to pour gold doré. The ore processing plant will be designed to handle 1,900 tons of ore per day. An average ton of ore from the Windfall Lake project will contain about 10 grams of gold. The leftover ore is called tailings, a slurry of ground rock and water which requires careful management. The project will produce approximately 6.8 metric tons of tailings. Osisko hasn't chosen the tailings technology and location yet. An access road will be needed to transport the equipment, materials, and possibly the ore. Osisko plans to use the existing forestry roads. The roads currently comply with ore haulage requirements, except for a short bridge that will need to be enlarged on Road 5000, Kilometer 62. If the mill is located near Le Bel-sur-Quévillon, a short access road will be built. As we move forward with the project planning process, details are sure to change. We welcome comments and want to keep you informed. Please don't hesitate to contact us should you have any comments or questions.